Hello, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this ECM here. So this machine was having some electronic issues, and so I replaced the board, which I've had to do for a couple of ECMs before. It seems to be kind of common, at least with this model. So here's that old board. And I couldn't really find any visual damage, but as you can see, the machine is working properly. We've got maybe 1.2 bars of pressure in the steam boiler, and before what was happening was the pump was just running just all the time, and hopefully you can hear now the pump isn't running. Everything looks really normal, so I'm just going to pull a shot just to make sure everything's working properly. And I'll show you the steam and the hot water. So after replacing the pump, I did also replace some missing screws from the panels. The machine came that way without all the screws. And so we just had some generic ones that I replaced it with. Okay. Nice crema, we were sitting at about 9 bars, and then I'll show you that steam. And let's do the hot water. There you go. That's about it for this video, so if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.